Golf, Cessna on the upwind is a right downwind departure, straight up departure approved, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, wind 200 at Niner.
Takeoff, 27 right, 52 Alpha Golf, Cessna inside.
1 Hotel Kilo, runway 27 right, clear to land, your number 1, traffic over Lake Jennings at 2,300 Cherokee.
Clear land number 1, any chance for a short approach, Hotel Kilo?
1 Hotel Kilo, short approach approved.
Door open on a sling. Keep flying it, buddy. Fly it.
Or we need to land, 52 Alpha Golf.
Golf, Roger.
Fly it.
Are you able to make a teardrop?
Fly it. Don't you stall it.
Hotel Kilo, start a climb, go around.
Don't stall it. Fly the f***ing plane. No. No, don't stall it, dude.
Alpha Golf, any runway, clear to land.
If we can make it around, just a door came open on us.
Do you require any assistance? Do you want 17? Do you want 17 or are you going to do the whole lap?
Loud, say that again for Alpha Golf?
17 or do you want the full pattern? Alright, 2 Alpha Golf, any runway, clear to land.
Thanks. Let's see, you'll try for a short approach inside of Rattlesnake if that's okay.
Check it 342, start a climb, go around.
Time, go around 342.
So Kilo, you can drop to the right traffic pattern. Number 2, following traffic short final, runway 27 right, clear to land.
Land 27 right, verify we're number what?
Alpha Golf, left or right next taxiway.
Delta 2, Alpha Golf.
Alpha Golf, left on Delta 2, hold short, runway 2, correction, cross runway 27 left and contact ground.
27 left and over the ground, Alpha Golf.